Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Vishwakarma. Today we will discuss about Web Vital. We are using Web Vital use in Bagisto 2.0. First, we will discuss about what is the Web Vital. So, this is the key point of Web Vital. First, the performance, accessibility, best practice, and SEO. Web Vital are the set of rules and guidelines introduced by Google, and it's helped to improve the user experience and increase the traffic on the website. This is the performance. This is the Web Vital types. Let's start with one. Also, performance depend in three terms. First is first contentful paint. Second is the largest contentful paint, and third is a cumulative layout shift. What is the first contentful paint? The first contentful paint to measure the time when the page start loading to when any part of the page content is entered on the screen. See here, our the website is entering in the start paint, and here the first content start rendering in the viewport, and it take 0.4 seconds. If it take more time, then we need to improve. First enable a browser cache. Also use faster server for response. And third point is also preload critical resource like a JS and CSS and font library. And fourth point is serve image in next generation like a WebP. Second point, largest contentful paint. This consider how long it take for main content to appear in the browser. See here in example, and the hero image is a long, main content, and it take 0.7 second to appear in the browser. And if it take much more time, then we need to improve in the point like use a CDN link and improve server response time, like optimize your code and build the best logic. And do not use lazy load image on the first visual screen. Also minimize the JS CSS files. We are using Whitetech for the minimize JS and CSS file in the Bagisto 2.0. Third is a cumulative layout shift. Suppose this is a viewpoint, and the first in the viewpoint is some content visual, and after some time suddenly second layout visual in the viewport, and then first content move in the bottom. Let's understand with the second example. Like suppose you interact with this paragraph, and after some time your delay content appears in viewport, then this paragraph will move in bottom. This is not good for the user experience. So how to solve this? Also set width and height of the image and use shimmer load. Shimmer load is a component. We are using shimmer load component for the as like a placeholder in the Bagisto 2.0. Also preload your CSS and font library. Sometimes you see when any website load, and then you see the text font see different after complete your website load in the browser, then you font totally change. So how to solve it? Also use a preload in the header section like the CSS and font library. Second point is accessibility. Accessibility is a thing to use and understand for everyone. Like use area label for the support element. Like if you are not using a label tag in the form, then use the area label. It's understand for the understanding. Also define name in the button element. Third point is also set alt attribute in the image, and fourth point is also set a lang and direction attribute in the HTML type element. Third point is best practice. For the best practice, we focus on multiple terms like use HTTPS. And second point, fix all console error of the website. Third point, allow user to paste any content in the input fields. Fourth point is avoid request to geolocation and notification on the page load. Fifth point is display image with the current aspect ratio. Of course, we know what is the SEO. So how to improve SEO points in the Web Vital? Use a title, meta description in every page. The second point, use H1 tag for main heading. Also use H2 tag for subheading, and also use a P tag for content. And also I will discuss before. Use alt attribute in the image element and use an internal link. This is the Web Vital reports in Bagisto 1.5. So we have focused the Web Vital rules in Bagisto 2.0 and then get this result in the Bagisto 2.0. Just the performance is 99, accessibility is 100, best practice in 100, and also SEO is 100.